This tutorial shows you how to make your keyboard smaller and movable anywhere on the screen. First, open any app where you can type, like Messages. After that, tap on any text field to bring up the keyboard. From there, tap and hold the icon at the bottom of the keyboard, or usually the emoji or settings icon. At this point, look for the keyboard mode options that appear, scroll and tap on it. In the next step, select the floating icon from the list. Following this, your keyboard will instantly shrink into a smaller movable version. We also have it for both portrait and landscape view. Once done, drag the small bar at the top of the floating keyboard to move it anywhere on your screen. From here, pinch or drag the corners if you'd like to resize it to a comfortable size. Keep in mind, if you want to switch back to the full-size keyboard, tap the same icon again and select Standard from the layout options. Finally, tap outside the keyboard to close it once you're done typing. And that's it! If this guide helped you enable the floating keyboard on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.